In this video you will learn how to fix Instagram established presence problem in branded content. Review the Instagram branded content policy. Read Instagram guidelines to understand what qualifies as an established presence for branded content. Complete your profile. Ensure your profile has a clear profile picture, bio and contact information to appear professional and credible. Increase account activity. Make sure to post regularly and engage with followers through comments, stories and interactive content to show consistency and activity. Gain authentic followers. Follow on building a genuine follower rather than trying to buy them, as authenticity is key for building branded content. Link other platforms. Connect your Instagram account to other verified social medias or business accounts to reinforce your credibility. Reapply for branded content eligibility. Once your account shows consistent presence and meets all the requirements, submit an application for branded content eligibility. Now you know how to fix Instagram established presence problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.